In this lesson, I want to show you how to use Format Painter. The Format Painter is one of the commands under the home menu. So you see it here and you see something that looks like a brush. So if you take your cursor to it and maybe click it slightly, you see that a pop-up box appears. So I will read what is there. Like the look of a particular selection, you can apply that look to other content in a document. To get started, 1. Select content with the formatting you like. 2. Click Format Painter. 3. Select something else to automatically change the format to the one that you want. So what that means is this. For example, let's look at this document. In this document here, you notice that I have a particular, all the text are in a particular font type and font size. So if I select this paragraph here, the system will tell me that the font type here is inherit while the font size is 13. Now, for some reason, if you have another document in your laptop and you've seen a content that you want to insert into that one, for example, I'm going to copy from here and I'll bring it directly here and paste. You now see that the font type and the font size here is different from this. So how do you make this similar? One way is to use the font type that you have here on this, and of course to change the size accordingly. So what you could do is to highlight this, then you now go down here, look for inherit, which is a font type. So I'll type inherit. So it has changed it to the font type. Then of course the size is still different. Then I will just click here again. I'll just highlight on this again. Then I will now go here and change the font type to 13. So I'll type 13. So what I have here is inherit. So once this is done, you can now see that my font type and size is similar to the one here. But that whole process can be reduced by using Format Painter. So how do I do that? So I will just undo this to the way it was. So the first thing in the use of Format Painter is for you to select the font type that you want and size. Click on Format Painter. Once you click on it, you see that the cursor changes to something that looks like a brush. Then you click at the beginning of the paragraph, drag to the end, and once you reach the end, you release your hand. Then that new set of paragraph automatically inherits the same font type and the font size as the one you've selected. That's basically how it works. Thank you.